Hey, it's Chip Collins with Collins Group Realty coming to you from our office here on the mainland. And just wanted to bring to you the latest statistics here through the basically through the end of April on what's happening in our marketplace. Continues to be a challenge to get enough inventory on the market to meet demand. So number of new listings year to date are down about 13% compared to this time last year. And as a result, we again are still seeing this trend where the number of pending sales is down about 26% year to date compared to last year. Of course, last year was a boom of a first quarter, first 4 months. So not surprised to see a little bit of a settling down on that. But again, it's just a function of there not being enough inventory to meet the demand. But again, we're seeing a little bit of an uptick of that inventory happen here in May. So interested to see what the May and June statistics look like. The number of closed transactions through the course of the first 4 months of this year is down right about 25% compared to the first 4 months of 2021. So interesting market conditions. We're tracking them all the time, and we'll keep you posted. Also, wanted to let you know we have a blood drive that's coming up that we're hosting at the Collins Group Realty Island office. We've got information below on that. And we are teaching a seller home workshop that I'm really excited to be teaching myself directly. We're leaning in on what this market means for sellers, how to maximize the returns, not just in terms of price, but in terms of the terms that you get, whether or not post-closing possession is meaningful to you as a seller, what condition the property needs to be in the time of closing, and other key components. So we've got that workshop that's coming up just after Memorial Day, and we're looking forward to that. Hopefully that you or someone you know might be interested in attending. So as always, grateful to have the opportunity to talk to you today. Appreciate your interest in our e-news and the Market Pulse, and we'll be talking to you soon.